Are there animals in the sky?
Yes.
What's up in the sky?
Elephant.
An elephant?
There's animals in the sky.
Uh-huh. What other animals are in the sky?
Yes. Elephant in the sky.
An elephant in the sky?
No.
Does the elephant...
In the sky.
Is there a bird in the sky?
No bird. Sky. Animals in the sky.
Is there a kangaroo?
No kangaroo. No kangaroo in the sky. Animals in the sky.
Why are the animals in the sky?
Yes. Animals in the sky. Animals in the sky.
Do you like your hat?
No like it.
You don't like your hat?
It is a kangaroo in the sky.
There's a kangaroo in the sky?
Yeah, kangaroo in the sky. The kangaroo in the sky.
Okay. What was the kangaroo doing in the sky?
Kangaroo in the sky. Little kangaroo. Little kangaroo. Little kangaroo in the sky. Out the sky.
Are you talking about Horton Hears a Who?
This.
Where there was an elephant who found a little bunch of people on a speck of lint?
No. There's a mouse in the sky.
And the mouse was Horton's friend.
This mouse in the sky. The mouse in the sky. There's a mouse in the sky.
Normally the mouse is not in the sky.
Mouse in the sky.
Okay. Where'd you find that hat?
Find the hat. Don't find the hat. It's in the hat.
Is it Aiden's hat?
Aiden's hat. Yes, Aiden's hat. Do it, Aiden's hat. Do it, Aiden's hat. Do it. Do it.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
No, bye-bye. And then that's high.
Okay. Bye-bye.
That's high.
Okay, hi.